Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not loading snaps. So guys, if you're using iPhone or Android phone and you have problem related snaps loading, I'll help you how to fix all these problems. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if you have already connected, you need to click on your Wi-Fi and forget your network. And guys, after this, you need to reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network. And guys, you need to scroll it down, click on General, click on VPN and Device Management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, then guys, you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your app store here, and guys here you need to search Snapchat. So guys from here you need to check update. If you have not updated your app still, you need to update it, and after doing this you need to go back. So guys after doing all these methods your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings on your iPhone, scroll it down, click on General, click on iPhone storage, and guys from here you need to find Snapchat. After finding it, you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.